Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We would like to present you about our final presentation from PFT and TechMe by FRE 110. Next. So here's our team. My name is Muhammad Rakaditya, and then there is Hasya Kintara Putri and Igusti Ayu Ditiyasari. Next. Okay, in our table content for TechMe, there is 7 point. Next. The first point is business overview. The corporate sector for higher day educational corporate is manufacturing sector, and we have our vision to be the best teaching aids manufacturing company in Indonesia. Then mission, there is 3 mission: product innovation in teaching aids, development of teaching aids for Indonesian children, and then guaranteeing customer satisfaction in our products. Next. The next is STP and marketing analysis. Next. In our STP, there is segmenting, targeting, positioning. You can see our segmenting, targeting, and position point in our slide. Next. Okay, for 4P methods, there are price for our product, and then how to promotion our product, and then the marketing for our product, and the last one is our location, manufacturing, and warehouse. Next. For marketing plan and strategy. Next.
Okay.
Hasya Kintara.
Yes, thank you. Here is the calculation of cost marketing estimation analyze. We use several ways to promote the product, such as held an event and use a website. Next. The marketing that our company do is through the event, top ads, magazine, Instagram stories, and website. The reason why we choose the online and offline media is to maximize our promotion. Next. This is our production planning. Next. Okay, the determination of the production plan is according to the calculation of demand. Next. Okay, this is the sales target. The company has increased the product 0.10% every year, and the production volume of the company has increased 1% with the allowance 1%. Next. Okay, this is our hire plan on the first year. Next. And this is our hire plan after doing the recruitment. The reason why we had a recruitment is after 3 years, all employees get a promotion. So we need some new employees to fill the emptiness. Next.
Okay, this is financial project. Okay, can be seen by company that have an increase in direct cost, overhead cost, production cost, and operational cost. And then, if the accumulation in the bank is more than 17%, it is clear that the company cannot find the money to be borrowed because the nominal is too large. This avoids bad credit. Okay. The reason why companies choose compound interest is because compound interest has a tendency to be lower than the fixed rate. Also, the fixed rate has been made irrelevant. Next, can be seen from the calculation we have obtained EBIT and EAT are only half of the gross profit. Then, for the cash flow, can be seen our company financial flow has an increase every year. We have cash in that is much bigger than cash out. Can be seen from the net cash in the far right graph. Okay. For feasibility analysis, it showed that the higher education approach corporate company has a business viability for 5 years with an interest rate of 19.5% and has an IRR of as in the slide, and then the benefit cost ratio as in the slide. Okay. The next is FT. Okay, here we are continuing to FT. The first is distance from supplier to alternative location. Okay, the first is distance from PT Sumber Mitra Utama Persada to alternative A. And then distance from Raja Gantong Bandung to alternative A. Distance between PT Catur Indo Agung Jaya Raga to alternative A. Distance between PT Sumber Mitra Utama Persada to alternative B. Distance between Raja Kantor Bandung to alternative B. Distance between PT Catur Indo Agung Jaya Rubber to alternative A. Distance between PT Sumber Mitra Utama Persada to alternative C. Distance between Raja Kantor Bandung to alternative C. Distance between PT Catur Indo Agung Jaya Rubber to alternative C. Okay, the next is factor rating. For the factor rating, the following are factors that influence the selection of alternative location. Then, determination of weight of each factor based on company condition. In here, the owner want to emphasize more on minimizing the distance to the supplier and very concerned about market opportunity and the quality of human resource. Then, the following is the information needed from each alternative to help consider about location selection. And then, here is the normalization from quantitative data. This normalization is the input for determining the multiplication weight rate. Normalization is used to equalize the value of each factor. Then, multiplier the value of each factor for each alternative obtained from normalization by the factor weight value. The score value is obtained from the normalization result. Then WTD is the score multiplied by WT. Okay, the next is Hasya Kintara Putri.
Okay, this is our routing sheet. Next. The operation goes from 01 until 08. The machine that we use are melting and molding machine. The working hour of our company is 8 hours. And the working day per week is 5 days. Next. Unit lots and MHR. Next. The maximum stacking of the product is 22 boxes per stack, with the maximum height of stacking is 1.8 meters. Next. The number of selected MHR is 7. Amount of delivery time is 180 minutes. Chosen unit lot is 25 and the frequency is 1. Next. This is the calculation of time to flow the material. We have 3 unit lots, but the most effective unit lot is 25 with the duration time is 113 minutes. Next.
Okay, the next is space requirement and factory area. Next. Okay, this is the initial layout that we planned with their material flow from each facility. For the total area needed is 435 square meter. And then as you can see, there is an initial code and facilities name that you can see in our table in initial layout. Next. Okay, this is our FTC analysis using FTC or from to chart. From FTC, we will get the calculation cost of each movement from each workstation. As you can see, there is two tables that in FTC slide. Okay, next. Okay, this is the initial layout after IRC from the result obtained by the AAD or area allocation diagram. We can make a layout based on the result obtained from the degree of relationship. Here we adjust the total area in each facility. Okay, next. Okay, this is the following final layout using SketchUp after analysis using software named WinKSB from the several available alternatives. The chosen alternative is with the lowest cost during iteration with the WinKSB program. As you can see in the left one is our final layout after WinKSB for manufacturing, and the right one is final layout for all units of our firm. Okay, next. Okay, thank you. That's all from us. Thank you for your attention and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.